Jai Swaminarayan. Now today we are going to start our seventh example, same method, variable raised to variable. In that, now seventh example is there. So first of all, I am going to assume y is equal to u plus v. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now this u is equal to log x raised to x. Both side we are applying log because this is whole raised to is there. So again I have to take log of log x raised to x. Now of which you are going to take log, so power is there, so it will come ahead. So here I can write log u is equal to x log of log x. Now 1 upon u du by dx is equal to x log of log x means 1 upon log x, and log x derivation is 1 upon x plus log of log x, x derivation is 1. Now your final answer is du by dx is equal to u means log x raised to x into 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is my du by dx. Now again we are going to take v. V is equal to log x raised to log x, x raised to log x, that is my v. So variable raised to variable, so log v is equal to log of x raised to log x. Now this is the power of this, so it will be like this, log x into log x, log v. Log v is 1 upon v dv by dx. Log x is as it is. This log x derivation is 1 upon x plus log x, and this log x derivation is 1 upon x. So dv by dx is equal to v 2 times log x upon x. So v x raised to log x into 2 log x by x, that is dv by dx. This is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 2 and 3. This value I am going to put in 1. So your final answer is dy by dx is equal to du by dx is this log x raised to x into 1 upon log x plus log of log x plus that x raised to log x upon 2 log x by x. This is your final answer. Again, variable raised to variable, you have to assume derivation with respect to x. So dy by dx, du by dx, and v derivation is dv by dx. This u I am taking separately, v also I am taking separately. Variable raised to variable, so we have to take log and then do derivation. That is our seventh example of variable raised to variable. Now our next example is eighth one. In that y is equal to sin x raised to x is given and plus sine inverse root x. This is variable raised to variable and this is inverse function. Even though I am going to assume y is equal to u plus v dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is my equation number 1. Now I will take separately u is equal to sine x raised to x, variable raised to variable. So both side I am going to take log, that is log of sin x whole raised to x. Now this part will come here. So log u is equal to x log of sin x. Now log u is equal to x, log sin x is equal to 1 upon sin x. Sin x derivation is cos x plus log sin x is as it is and derivation of x, that is 1. First as it is, derivation of this, plus second as it is, derivation of first one. So now this side we have done derivation, so this side also we have to do, that is 1 upon u du by dx. So du by dx is equal to u x cot x plus log sin x. So du by dx is equal to u is equal to sin x raised to x cot x plus log sin x. That is our first part. Second part is y is equal to sine inverse root x. This is not variable raised to variable. So we are going to do dv by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. X square means x and root x derivation is 1 upon 2 root x. Here we are using this formula that d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Here this function we have assumed. So root x square is x and what we have assumed, its derivation is again here. So dv by dx is equal to 1 upon 2, x is going to multiply it, so x minus x square. This is my equation number 3. This is my equation number 2 and this is my equation number 1. In that we are going to put value, so dy by dx is equal to sin x raised to x into x cot x plus log sin x plus 1 upon 2 root x minus x square. In this way we can do another example also, that is 8.1. Okay, first again we have assumed u and v. U separately we have done derivation and v also we have done separately derivation. In this way full example is there.